Imagine this for a moment. You're living the remote work dream. You control your schedule, your workspace, and your lifestyle. You have more freedom than ever before. But behind that freedom, there's a hidden cost most remote workers never see coming. It's not travel, it's not equipment, it's not even taxes. It's health insurance. And the truth is, most remote workers are overpaying by hundreds or even thousands of dollars every single year, and they don't even know it. The industry counts on that. It counts on you feeling overwhelmed, confused, or unsure about what your options really are. But in the next few minutes, everything is going to become clearer, simpler, and much more empowering. You're about to see exactly how to protect your health, your finances, and your freedom without falling into the trap of overpriced, outdated plans that don't match your remote lifestyle. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with insider knowledge that most freelancers, contractors, and digital nomads never get access to. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I've spent years helping remote workers navigate the complex world of health insurance, financial planning, and independent work. And during that time, I've noticed the same pattern again and again. People assume expensive means better, or they avoid insurance completely because it feels intimidating. Others pick a plan that sounds okay, only to realize months later that the coverage doesn't match their travel schedule, their medical needs, or their income. Today's video is going to fix all of that. We're going to break down the full landscape of affordable insurance options, marketplace plans, private coverage, health sharing alternatives, HSA strategies, and global plans built for digital nomads. And I'll show you how to match each option to the way you work and live so you never overspend or find yourself uncovered at the worst possible moment. This is your premium, simplified roadmap to remote worker health insurance. Let's jump in. Remote workers operate in a completely different system than traditional employees. When you leave an office job, you're not just leaving a desk, you're leaving an entire support structure. HR assistance, employer-sponsored insurance, employer contributions, and guided onboarding. Suddenly, the responsibility shifts entirely to you. You're not choosing between a few curated options anymore. You're staring at an ocean of plans, networks, deductibles, premiums, and coverage rules. And if you travel, move between states, or spend part of the year abroad, things get even more complicated. Traditional plans simply weren't built for people with flexible lifestyles. Add in unpredictable income, the ability to deduct certain expenses, and the wide range of health needs among remote workers, and it becomes clear. You need a plan designed for mobility and independence. Staying uninsured might feel freeing in the moment, but a single medical emergency can cost you more than an entire year of income. Understanding your options isn't just important, it's essential to protecting your lifestyle. So let's break down the affordable options available to U.S. remote workers. First, marketplace plans, also known as ACA or Obamacare plans, can be incredibly cost-effective if you qualify for income-based subsidies. Many freelancers and contractors pay significantly reduced premiums, especially if their income fluctuates from month to month. Bronze and silver plans are often the best value, and cost-sharing reductions can dramatically lower deductibles and out-of-pocket expenses. Next, high-deductible health plans paired with a health savings account are powerful tools for people who want lower monthly premiums and long-term tax benefits. An HSA is triple tax-advantaged. Money goes in tax-free, grows tax-free, and can be used tax-free for medical expenses. For self-employed individuals, that's a major financial advantage. Private insurance is also an option. While sometimes more expensive, private plans offer flexibility, especially nationwide PPOs that work well if you travel or move frequently. Short-term plans are low-cost temporary solutions, though they come with coverage limitations. And then there are health-sharing ministries, affordable alternatives that function differently than traditional insurance. They're not for everyone, but for healthy remote workers with tight budgets, they can be a useful solution. Now let's look beyond the US for global remote workers and digital nomads. Traditional plans won't cover you internationally, and standard travel insurance only protects you in emergencies. That's where international health insurance comes in. These plans are designed specifically for long-term global living. They cover emergency care, doctor visits, hospital stays, and sometimes even preventative care, depending on the plan you choose. The best part? Because healthcare costs outside the US are much lower, these plans often cost far less than domestic insurance. Travel medical insurance is another option, ideal for short stays or people who want emergency-only coverage during international travel. It won't cover routine or long-term treatment, but it offers peace of mind at a very low price. Some countries even allow foreigners to buy into their public or private health systems through residency or digital nomad visas. Portugal, Mexico, Thailand, and many others offer high-quality healthcare at a fraction of US prices. Choosing the right option depends on how often you move, how long you stay in each country, and how comprehensive you want your coverage to be. But how do you choose the right plan? Start with your income. If you qualify for marketplace subsidies, you might save a lot with an ACA plan. If you earn more, pairing a high-deductible plan with an HSA could be a smarter long-term strategy. Then think about your mobility. If you stay mostly in one state, a local plan may work. If you change locations often, consider a nationwide PPO. If you live abroad, international insurance is your best fit. Also evaluate your health needs. If you require ongoing prescriptions or regular doctor visits, look for plans with strong coverage and lower out-of-pocket costs. If you're generally healthy, a higher deductible and lower premium could save you money. Consider your risk tolerance too. Some plans cost more monthly but reduce financial risk during emergencies. Others cost less monthly but require higher out-of-pocket spending before coverage kicks in. Align your choice with your lifestyle and long-term goals, not just your current situation. The right plan should support your freedom, not restrict it. Now let's talk about cost-saving strategies most remote workers don't know about. First, the HSA. Not only does it reduce your taxable income, but it also lets you save money for future medical costs with unmatched tax benefits. If you're a nomad, choosing your state of residency strategically can save you thousands. Some states offer far more affordable marketplace plans. Telehealth first plans are another powerful option. Many remote workers rely heavily on virtual care, and these plans provide lower premiums without sacrificing convenience. Freelancer associations and professional groups often offer access to group insurance plans, which can be more affordable than individual policies. And here's a bonus hack. If you ever have to pay medical bills out of pocket, negotiate. Many hospitals and clinics offer reduced rates for upfront payment or cash. These strategies stack together and can dramatically reduce your overall healthcare costs. So now that you've seen the full landscape, you should feel far more confident about your options. You don't have to settle for overpriced plans or outdated models. You don't have to guess. You don't have to overpay. You now have a full roadmap that helps you choose the right coverage for your income, your lifestyle, your health needs, and your travel patterns. Health insurance isn't just an expense done right. It's protection for your freedom, your finances, and your peace of mind. Smart remote workers don't just chase opportunities, they protect the life they're building. If this video helped you, drop a comment with your situation or questions. I'm here to help you navigate every step of the process. And if you're ready to take control of your coverage, start evaluating your options today. Your freedom deserves the right protection.